There is nothing more liberating than the smell from mixing fresh ingredients. Cooking has always been a part of who I am and how people recognize me. I love the atmosphere, prattle and giggles combined with aroma from the food inside the kitchen. It is a legacy passed on to me from generations. Unlike other kids, I would spend hours in the kitchen, looking at different dishes being prepared, my aunt would say. I've always loved to be surrounded by the family. Tan spherical dough made with mixture of milk powder, all-purpose flour and butter, floating on sugar syrup was the first ever dish that got me intrigued. I remember exploring my curiosity inside kitchen when my mom and aunts are busy, preparing for a huge feast. It felt cooking has set all these women free. That might be the reason why I chose it as my escape from everything.